Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and facilities also.
As you can see in the screen, resort location.
And here is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay.
Its review rating is 9.6,
which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room rate, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen.
will be required to present photo ID as check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Of the hotel is to enjoy the ground shopping, sound reviews online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. And offer charges and online for this hotel along with various food and sanitary policies. You should do the link provided in the description.
For booking or more details, please read description box.
If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.
If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box.
If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.